First, one of the most important topic in mathematics, sets. So first, what is the set and where we are using this concept of sets? Generally, set of natural numbers, set of prime numbers, set of even numbers, set of whole numbers. We are using in the many places. We are sets, natural number sets, whole number set of natural number 1, 2, 3 dashes, set of whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 dashes. Like that, we are using this set concept in many places. First, what is the set? The definition of set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. What is mean by this well-defined object? See, small example. Set of all the colors in rainbow. Set of all the colors in rainbow. 7 colors. Always fixed only. There is no change in that 7 colors. Then set of weeks. Set of weeks in a year, or set of days in a week. Set of months in a year. Always fixed only. Always fixed only. There is no change in that. And what is well defined? If one of the example is set of good players in Indian cricket team. Set of good players in Indian cricket team. In 5 years back, team is different. Now team is different. After 5 years, team will be the different. So there is no fixed team in that. Set of all good cricketers in India. So that is not a well defined set. Why? Because there is a possibility is there for change. Now, one of the examples, set of all natural numbers, set of all prime numbers. Next, types of sets. Types of sets. Types of sets. Types of sets. Finite set, infinite set, null set, and singleton sets. Types of sets. Types of sets. Finite set. Finite set means the number of elements in the set countable. Number of months in a year 12, always same. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These elements always fix, and we are able to count the number of elements. So this is finite set. Then infinite set. What is infinite set? Set of natural numbers n is equals to. We are not able to count number of elements in that set. That set is called infinite set. Next, null set or empty set. Empty set. Empty set means there is no elements in that set. There is no elements in that set. Example for that. Number of prime numbers. Number of prime numbers between 8 and 10. 8 and 10, are there any prime numbers between 8 and 10? There is no prime numbers, so that's why it is empty set. This is the symbol for empty. So empty set means there is no elements in that such a set. Next, singleton set. Singleton set means only one element. Singleton set, only one element. Simple example, set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers, how many are there? 2. 2 only. That 2 only single element. So this is singleton set. And another example, months having less than 30 days in a year. How many months having less than 30 days? That February month only it is having 28 days. So only February month. Like that, single element means singleton set. No elements means empty set. Countable finite set. Uncountable infinite set. So like that, 4 sets are there primary. Next, number of based on number of elements, some more types of elements sets are there. So that one we will discuss later.